People say you should own your mistakes, but nobody tells you how to live with the way others look at you afterward. Leloo walks in. The shopkeeper mumbles something under their breath. Two customers turn around. Leloo stays silent, hands shaking while handing over the money. A whisper from the corner. That's them, the one who had that incident. People judge fast, without knowing what was behind that mistake, or why it even happened. On the street, Leloo walks past a group. Muffled voices, a laugh, then sudden silence. Leloo feels like they're talking. Maybe they aren't, but Leloo's mind can't tell the difference anymore between reality and fear. Sometimes the judgment doesn't come from a look, but from the silence after it. At work, a co-worker acts cold. The boss barely acknowledges Leloo. Someone says, "Sorry, Leloo, but maybe skip this meeting for now." Some people get distracted. Leloo just nods and walks out. What hurts more than the mistake is the way people look at you after it. It's like every time you're quiet, you can hear them inside your head. That's the one, that person. In Leloo's room, everything is heavy. A co-worker gently steps in. "I know it's hard. I've been on the other side of those looks." Leloo lifts their head. "So, how did you deal with it?" "I didn't do anything special. I just realized people's judgment only has power, as long as you believe in it. Sometimes people judge not out of hate, but out of fear. Fear that one day, they might be where you are." That night, Leloo understood something. You can't change the way others see you, but you can choose not to see yourself through their eyes. The next day, Leloo returns to the same shop, same shopkeeper, same people. Leloo walks in. People glance. But this time, Leloo looks back. Calm, steady, unbothered, pays, walks out. No one said anything, but for the first time, the silence didn't hurt. You become free the moment you realize other people's eyes show nothing more than a passing image, not your truth.